Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Chef Food channel. How are you guys? Today I'm going to show you mousse cake easy recipe. So let's start. It's divided into different steps. Step 1 is cake making. So firstly, eggs 250 gram are added. Then sugar 125 gram is added in it. And then it is beat very well until it gets very fluffy. Like this. Now fine flour 125 gram and cocoa powder 12.5 gram is added, and then it is mixed with the egg mixture and the sugar and mix well with soft hands step by step until it get knots, get the clumps in the mixture. As you can see, it is mixing in the right manner. Pour it into the cake mold and then do the further process of baking. Now bake at 180 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes, and then we will start the step 2 mousse making. Now mousse will make. Firstly, melt chocolate 500 grams in boiling water. Double boiling process is called. Butter 100 gram is added and then it is double boiled, and in this manner chocolate is going to be melted, as you can see in the video. Then egg yolk 10 gram and sugar 100 gram is mixed with beater, and it is beaten until it gets very fluffy, very fluffy in nature. So guys, if you have not subscribed Chef Food channel, kindly subscribe to our channel for more videos, for more recipes, for more baking recipes and every type of Chinese, Asian and Italian cuisine, continental cuisine. All type of recipes are shown in my channel Chef Food. So stay tuned to our channel Chef Food for more recipes, for more delicious videos. As you can see, it is double or triple in size due to its continuous beating. Now egg white 16 egg white is taken, and then sugar 50 gram is added in it, and same process is repeated. Beat it until it gets very fluffy. It will also increase in its size, and you will see a lot of huge volume is gained by this egg white. 16 egg white, when it gets fluffy like this, it's very consistent in nature. Now egg yolk is mixed with the melted chocolate in this manner. I am speeding the process like this. Mix it very well, and after mixing it, it will be again mixed with the third mixture, that is egg white with the sugar. So guys, like the video if you like it, and subscribe the channel and comment how was the video and have you tried it. Give it a try and tell us in the comment section how was the video. As you can see, the mixture is added in the egg white mixture, and then again it is mixed with the soft hand. It is increased in huge amount. It double or triple, you can say, it is increased. Now whipped cream, already whipped cream 500 ml per gram is added in it. That is already whipped a little bit, and then soft hands are used for mixing. So guys, kindly comment how was the video and have you tried it. Give it a try. It was super delicious video, super delicious cake recipe, and the mousse cake is most ever favorite cake recipe. It takes some time, but literally it is the amazing cake. Now the cake is cut it vertically, horizontally into the two halves like this. I am speeding up the process. It is not cut it in such a great speed. It was done very slowly, very slowly. And now sugar syrup is added in this. It will be stick to the other part of the cake that was coated. Now mousse is going to be applied on the mid of the cake, that is half, and then the other part of the cake will be added on it. The other part is added, and then again sugar syrup is added in it, so that the other mousse part will stick to it. And now it is fully covered with the mousse to give it a good coverage. And then it is displayed. It looks very yummy, and it was literally very delicious in its taste. You must try it, and also tell us in the comment section how was the video, how was the recipe, how was the cake. I hope you all are liking it. So stay tuned to our channel Chef Food for more recipes, for more beautiful videos regarding the recipes, regarding any cooking video. You can tell us in the comment section. Stay tuned. I will meet you in my next video. Till there, take care. Bye bye.